Want the best French fries ever? Start by rinsing those ketchup shovels in some cold water. Boil those beautiful spuds until they're almost tender. Test the potato to make sure they're just before mashed potato consistency. Now drain them and lay them on a rack to cool and freeze them for 20 minutes while you heat up your oil to 280 degrees. Now drop them into the oil for 5 minutes. Move the potatoes from the oil and place into your 9-degree backyard while you contemplate moving to Florida. After 20 minutes, return the potatoes back into the oil at 375 degrees for the second fry. Remove the potatoes from oil, put them in a bowl, toss with some salt, and they're ready to go. Your fries have been cooked 3 times, they're extra crispy, and now it's time to stuff your face.